Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to search YouTube videos by date on a specific channel. To do that, I'll go to youtube.com. Let's say I want to search all videos published on Webstyle Plus on 2026 February from date 1 to 2. For that, I will search like this. Channel name space after colon 2026, and this is the month too. This is date. So year, month and date separated by dash, then space, and then before colon 2026, month second, and then date 2. Enter. And it found only one video. So you will get the videos published in that time exactly if you search like this. And if I go to that video and expand description, you can see the date February 2, 2026. So we can confirm that it is under that specific date. So this is how you can find YouTube videos by date on a specific channel. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.